could have sworn there was something left. Let's talk about profit. Nice word, great concept, a fabulous way to boost your business, but it doesn't always get the respect it deserves. Profit needs to be a priority. Now, also a priority for you is to hit the like button on this video and subscribe so that you don't miss a moment of the Smiley Sessions. Of the people I've met, the clients I've worked with, there are 3 distinct profit personalities that have appeared. Personality number 1 is the profits whatever's left over after I pay the bills personality. There isn't a calculation involved in what profit margins are. It's just kind of whatever's left sitting in the bank account at the end of the month after all the other bills are paid. Now, this may be you if you find yourself never having the funds to achieve those business investments and goals that you really want. The second profit personality is the I'll add a little something, but I don't want to look greedy personality. There is a calculation here, but it's less about what your business actually needs to move forward than it is about whatever random number is left over after you've hemmed and hawed and worried for a few days about looking greedy to your clients. Now, this may be you if you find yourself in the middle of a client project going, hey, wait a minute, this isn't worth it at all. And also, you never have the funds available to make the investments you want to make in your business. Profit personality number 3, this is a rare breed. Profit personality number 3 is the I know where I need to go and this is what I need to do to get there personality. Their profit margins are strategic. They're taking into account what their business investment goals are, some buffering in case there's scope creep, a little hazard pay in case it's a pain in the butt client, and even building in a little wiggle room so that they have space to negotiate if they need to. Now, you may be personality type number 3 if you've been feeling, frankly, very smug, as I described the other 2, and if things are going along quite swimmingly. When it's time to make an investment, your funds are there. You don't have the resentment about working with clients if something goes a little over schedule. My job is to help you get from personality 1 or 2 into the supremely strategic profit personality number 3. I've got more great resources on this over on the blog at devonsmiley.com. There'll be a link just below. Or keep watching here on the Smiley Sessions so that you can transform your approach to profit. Got it? Good. See you next time.